This is the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and in this video we're going to be unboxing it and checking it out. So talking specs, we've got the new A16 chip, we've got 6 gigs of RAM in there, we've got some awesome new features like crash detection, satellite connection for emergency calls, we've got 2x screen brightness, improved battery life, 120Hz refresh rate, all awesome features. But let's cut to the part that viewers of this channel are really interested in, the cameras. So the big news is the new 48 megapixel sensor, and for me personally, and I'm sure a lot of you, we've finally got cinematic mode in 4K at 24 frames a second. So let's check that out. And the other big news for content creators is Apple's new Action mode. Now, the stabilisation on iPhones has always been fantastic, but with this new Action mode, I think Apple are aiming at making the Pro models into more applicable for kind of like action camera applications. So let's take a look at that. Okay, that's it for now. We're going to be taking a really deep dive into the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.